Hey TechKnowStuds! Our mobile devices look and feel very different from a desktop or laptop. And how we interact with it when we scroll around, it's very different than how I interact with a desktop or laptop. But the core of it is actually still the same. The kernel is still the same. So what we have right here, this is an iPhone, and the operating system on it is called iOS, versus my MacBook Pro back here has an operating system on it that's called Mac OS. However, if we look at the kernel, they have the same kernel. They both have the XNU kernel on it, and that's what's operating the hardware of this. So in this lesson, let's take a look at this iPhone and some ways that we interact with this iPhone and the look and feel of the iPhone or the iOS operating system. Now what we have here is we have icons on here, and I can scroll back and forth to these different windows. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually open up the settings on here and go into the general, and we can say see about this phone. And so about this, it's got some name. We got the iOS version, so it's 17.6.1. So we see some information on this phone right here. So the other thing that I'll just show you is, since we've done this with other operating systems, let's open up the calculator, and here's what the calculator looks like on here. And so it's kind of nice. I actually really love the calculator function of this. So this is the iOS on the mobile device, iPhone specifically, and that's what that looks like.